water. Okay, I fix that stuff all the time. Well, as soon as I opened the door, I noticed something very strange. The guy was on oxygen. Okay, maybe something, maybe not. I asked him, how long have you been on oxygen for? 5 years. How long have you lived here for? 5 years. Maybe something, maybe not. I don't like to jump to conclusions. Well, we went down to the basement and to find out, yeah, he had a lot of water, but on top of it, there's so much mold, you can pet it like a Shar-Pei. Now, of course, his family, they already knew about this for a long time, but it was getting to the point where they're like, Dad, you need to get this fixed. It's affecting your health. He didn't put two and two together. Well, we'll fix the water. That's easy. He thought he had to rip out duct work and everything. I'm like, stop. You can do that, but I think I have something smarter for you. It's called SaniDry. Greatest thing ever. Went out, fixed the water and everything else. 6 months later, I went back, checked the guy. He's off oxygen. Now, don't get me wrong. It totally screwed up his lungs, so he had to have an inhaler. But know the fact that I can actually help out with that in any small way, let me know I was doing the right thing.